Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a credit card payment on Elementor website in 2024. Adding credit card payments functionality to your Elementor of course website is crucial for any e-commerce site. So this tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up a credit card payment using WooCommerce, which is a popular e-commerce like plugin for WordPress that integrates seamlessly with Elementor. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, basically you'll need to go and access WordPress. So go to this URL section, type wordpress.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, you'll be basically taken to this page instead. So click on login at the top right corner if you have an account to log in into your account, or click on create an account or sign up or get started to create a new account if you don't have one already. Of course, you can use Google, Apple, or even GitHub to create, or so you don't have to go through all the bonus steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you do so, you'll basically find yourself here. So for me, in the meantime, I'll just go and open my local host. So as I said, to add a credit card payment on Elementor websites, we'll need a plugin, which is the WooCommerce plugin. All you need to do to install that plugin is simply, for me, I'll use my local host. So go to this left panel, click on plugins, and then click on add a new plugin. There, go to search plugin here and simply type WooCommerce. So let's just wait for the page to load. It should not take a lot of time. And after that, of course, normally, yeah, here's it, the WooCommerce plugin. So normally you'll find an install now, then activates. For me, it's already installed. So make sure to install it, then activate it. Once it is installed, all you need to do, go back to plugins here on this left panel, then click on installed plugins. So just locate your WooCommerce plugins. If you have multiple plugins like me, all you need to do, just type here WooCommerce so you can find it very easily. So wait, so just like that, yeah. I forgot the double like oh. So WooCommerce like that. Scroll down until you find, yeah, there's it. So WooCommerce. All I need to do here is simply go and access the settings of this WooCommerce plugin. So from here, you'll be able to start configuring the payment settings. So simply, you'll find here general product shipping and then payments. Simply click on that payment option. And here, as you can see, you'll find multiple methods to start paying or to activate them or to enable them. So you can have this option as a payments method on your Elementor, WordPress, WooCommerce. All of those three will work with this plugin. So you have direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, authorized.net, and etc. How can you know which one has the credit card payment? Normally, you'll find this in a place like this. So if you go here, as you can see, you'll find here credit and debit cards with Stripe. For me, it's already enabled. For you, if it's disabled, make sure to enable it. Like scroll up again. Yeah, here's credit card also. Make sure to enable it if you are not have it disabled yet. Of course, through Stripe. And there's the third one, which is through authorized.net. As you can see, credit card also here. As you can see, it's already enabled for me. So for you, if it's not enabled yet, make sure to go and click on Finish Setup to enable it. As you can see here, for this specific method, I will need Stripe and I will need some account keys. Click on Enter Account Keys, and you'll have to get those keys and enter those keys right here. For testing, you can simply enter your test keys here before to try if it's working as intended. You can test connection after you enter those keys. Click on Test Connection, and it will be tested out. If it's working, it's time to have it activated and enabled. Same will be for authorized.net. So as example, if we click here or if we click on manage, make sure to simply enable it first of all, then change all the necessary settings on it. You can simply add allowed card types from like as GSB, generous club, and etc. Once you change all of those options, as example, make sure to click on save changes. And the last option is Stripe also. as example, this one, which is payments plugin. So I'll just go and click on manage or on the name. It's going to be, or it's going to take you to the same place. Again, here, make sure it's enabled by checking this option. Of course, you can test cards first of all. If you want to, you'll be able to do it. And as I said, just customize the settings however you want. You can even add some cards like, as you can see, Maestro, Union Pay, and etc. And once you fill up all those informations, click on Save the Changes. As I said here, of testing, this just will show you if you want to test the cards as example. You can simply just copy those cards in here and test the payments as example. So you'll be able to test it with those like random cards that are in here. Just go and copy those cards and test it if it's working. Of course, this is if you want to add just the credits slash debit cards. You can even, with this specific Stripe option, add Apple Pay and Google Pay if you want to, as you can see. Make sure to configure the settings of those Apple Pay and Google Pay. As I said, if you want to add them, you'll be able to add them if you want to, as you can see. So the button design will be like this for Google Pay, and Apple Pay, I guess, will be something like that. So let me just scroll down. And yeah, you can simply just choose the buy with Apple Pay or standard button or checkout with Apple Pay, depending on the button that you want. And yeah, that's all the payments that accepts or will add the credit card option to your payments. Now, all you need to do, of course, you can test first of all the payments gateway before like going live. It's crucial to test the payments gateway to ensure everything is working correctly. Enable test mode within Stripe settings and perform test transactions using the test credit cards numbers provided by Stripe. And yeah, if everything is working as intended, once you've confirmed that transactions are working good, disable test mode and to start accepting repayment and double check all the settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. So after that, congratulations, you successfully set up the credit card payment for your Elementor website. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.